Watch this. What you just watched is called breaching. Most times this way does these things to remove parasite from their body, while sometimes they do it to communicate with whales that are far away, and sometimes they also do it in showing of strength during mating. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and give me your thoughts about whales in the comment section.